A short note on mock epic. Mock epic, also called mock heroic, is a satirical poem that presents low characters or trivial subjects comically in the elevated heroic style and manner of classical epic. Mock epic commonly mimics the form, style, and conventions of classical epic, lofty language, formal statement of theme, participation of supernatural characters in action, invocation or appeal to the muses, use of epic similes and stock epithets, and long lists of warriors or armies or armor. Mock epic flourished in the late 17th and 18th centuries to ridicule real characters and events in contemporary and local settings. Alexander Pope's The Rape of the Lock, praised as the finest mock epic of English literature, mocks a petty high society scandal as a mythological battle for the virtue of innocence. Samuel Butler, in Hudibras, satirizes the repression of popular sports and amusements of the Puritan society. Jonathan Swift's Battle of the Books is a prose satire on the controversy surrounding the comparative value of ancient and modern authors. Here are the opening lines from Alexander Pope's The Rape of the Lock. What dire offense from amorous causes springs? What mighty contests rise from trivial things? I sing this verse to Carol, Muse. Is due. This, even Belinda may vouchsafe to view. Slight is the subject, but not so the praise. If she inspire, and he approve my lays. Say what strange motive, goddess, could compel a well-bred lord TESOL to gentle bell? Oh, say what stranger cause, yet unexplored, could make a gentle bell reject a lord? In tasks so bold, can little men engage? And in soft bosoms dwells such mighty rage? Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe the channel English Vinglish.